Hi everyone, I'm Gina Cavalier, the Vice President of Revenue Strategies for CHIF, and I'm going to show you how you can CHIF. First of all, after you've gotten into the CHIF Manager and paid for an account or received your free account, you get access to the CHIF Manager. It looks like this. You can go to the center where you can create a CHIF right away, or you can go over to the left-hand section where all your options are. The first thing though I want to make sure that you do is getting started. Use the documentation tab right here. This GitHub area is going to have all your licensing, your how-to videos, your frequently asked questions, and all the code that you're going to need to input this into your website. Next, we're going to go over and make a CHIF really quickly. Go over to the Builder section right here. And this is live, so I want to show you live so you can see how fast it works. I'm just going to go quickly though and type in CHIF name, do your own naming convention that is important to you, and then go over to the alt text, and this is for people that need accessibility, as you might know. So describe your image here, and then over here in transcript you can put any amount of text that you want. Although please be aware that the more text that you have, the slower download your file will be. So you can actually put an hour's podcast worth of text in here, but it will slow down your file. So add in as much text as you want to be in here for people so they can read it. Then go over to either take a photo or upload an image. I will upload my image here. And then now it's time to do the audio. Super fun part. So you can upload some pre-recorded audio or a song or something, say from a conference or a speech that you did, or you can just record custom audio right here by hitting record. You'll get the start button right here appears. Hit start. It's going to ask to use your microphone and you hit allow, and boom, you start recording your CHIF. That's it. And then when you're done, you hit stop. You'll see a new section is here with your audio, and you can do it over and over again until you like it. Now we get down to the metadata sections. Most people don't need to put their website in here and they can leave it blank, but if you have a specific domain that you want it to play on, say Shopify or GoDaddy or Wix, you can put that here. Also, we have the key and value data areas for your metadata. And another super fun area is the date range. You can start your CHIF to play and end it at a specific time if you have a campaign. Then you click where you want that CHIF to go, and then you just hit create CHIF right here. Boom. And that's how you CHIF.